Thank you for tuning in. This is Oscar with Tech Warrior here. Today I'm going to give you a little quick tip on if you have the Amscope or anything with the Barlow down here. Okay, if you have a Amscope, you're most likely going to have one of these ring lights, and like most of you will screw that ring light on this lip right here, where well, that's what's designed for. But when you have it screwed in there, okay, that's your work distance. Okay, now if you screw it to the top part of the Barlow down here instead of here, you're gonna increase your work distance. Okay, so instead of screwing it here, just raise it up a little bit and screw it to the top part, the most top part of where it's going to allow you to screw on. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it's kind of a little difficult here, but you have just increased your work distance by that much. Okay, so whenever you do your screws, just make sure that it's even on this so that your ring is centered around your Barlow. Okay, that's a quick tip for you guys. Thank you for watching. Oscar with Tech Warrior here. Tech Warrior out.